I've got a little bit of a cold today, but I'm going to try and get through this. So I took this cute little picture from Ross for $8.99 and decided it was a perfect opportunity to turn it into something else. So I just painted over the teacup. And now I'm looking at the Iron Orchid Designs transfers. This one is the Belgravia, and it has all kinds of teacups and florals. So I'm just giving the chair upholstery a new look. So I'm just transferring some florals onto the chair just to give it a whole different look. And I'm just using my finger or just a transfer stick that comes with these. Again, it's Iron Orchid Designs. I buy these from vintageretailtherapy.com. And just adding the rest of the florals onto the back of the chair to make it look like it came that way. I just thought this cat was so cute. And I'm not even really a cat person, but I just thought this was such a cute little picture to redo. You want to make sure you're just getting it right on the fabric. So here I am. I've decided I want to do black and white check on the teacup just to give it a different look. And I'm using a paint pen. And my paint pen is, what kind is it? It is a BETEM paint pen. I believe I got it at Hobby Lobby. And now I'm taking a Fusion gold leaf paint. It's called Firm Fusion. You can buy it on Amazon. And I'm just going over the chair, and now I'm taking just a black paint and making sure that the cat fur goes over the florals on the chair that I had just put on, giving the inside of the teacup a little bit of color. I'm going to take some B7000, and right now I'm going to use the 3mm Crystal AB rhinestones. I buy them on Amazon. They're made by Bedazzled. Bedazzled Crystal AB 3mm rhinestones. And I'm using a picker wax pencil, which I love so much. You can sharpen them, and it just stays nice and to a point all the time. So we've just bedazzled the cat glasses, and now I'm going to take a 4mm Crystal AB rhinestone with the B7000 and my wax picker pencil, and I'm just following their design, but I'm adding the 4mm Crystal AB rhinestones. These are glass rhinestones from Amazon by Beadsland. And I'm also going to add some more trim around that collar, and I also buy this trim on Amazon. I can't think of the name of it, but it's just a rhinestone trim. And if you go on Amazon and type in rhinestone trim, you'll get so many different options. I just needed something a little bigger for there. Using the B7000 to glue that on also. And then adding a few more of the 4mm rhinestones around that, just to make it look like one full necklace. And then I decided I wanted some Harlequin diamonds on this picture. So I went ahead and used my white base coat and painted out just that railing, that molding that would be right there, that crown molding in the picture. And I'm going to take a little diamond stencil that I think I got this on Temu. I'm almost positive I bought it on Temu. If not, you can buy diamond stencils on Amazon. And then I use them as templates. So I just used a pencil to trace out the Harlequin. And now I'm using my incredible paint pen again to paint in those Harlequin diamonds. And then I'm going to use a little bronze 4mm rhinestone to just add with the B7000 in between each of the diamonds.